What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing Sister Golden Hair by America. Very nice song on the acoustic guitar. Alright, so let's start with putting a capo on 4, please. 1, 2, 3, 4. Song is in C major. So we got 3 parts. We got the intro that comes back after the first chorus. And then we have the verses and the chorus. Okay, so the intro is A minor, F, C. Okay, A minor, 1, 2, 3, F major, 1, 2, 3, 4, C major, 1, 2, 3. Then we have E minor, and then we have a G. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it starts with A minor, F major, C major, down, 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 up, down, E minor, down, 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 F, let's see, E minor, A minor, G, stay on F major. Let's do that again. F major, C, 2, down, 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 E minor, A minor, G, and F. And now the verse is gonna start. And that's C major, 1, 2, 3, 4, down, down, E minor, F, C, E minor, and then F, D minor, 1, 2, 3, A, E minor, D minor, F to C. 3 again. C major, E minor, F to C, and E minor. Back to F, and D minor, A minor, E minor, D minor, F to C, 2, 3, 4. And before the chorus, they do a break there on the C. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the chorus G major to F to C, G major to F to C, and then break on D minor. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. So that's D minor, E minor, F. Back to the intro. A minor, F to C, 2, 3, 4. E minor, A, G to F. Second verse, come on. C major, E minor, F major, C, E minor, F major, D minor, A, E, F, D minor, F to C, and break on C. Chorus. F to C, G major, F to C, break on D minor, E minor, F. Okay, that's all the 3 parts. And the outro is same as chorus, G, F, C. Alright, so down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, through the whole song. Let's talk about the parts before we end the lesson, okay? A minor intro, that happens 2 times. A minor, F, C, C, E minor, to A, to G, to F. A lot of chords to keep track of, so it's good to write it down. So that's the intro, happens 2 times. And then the main verses: C major, E minor, to F, to C, to E minor, F, to this time D minor, and then a quick A minor, to F, and then we're gonna end with D minor, F, and C, and then we do the hits before the chorus. And chorus is just G, F, C 2 times, G, F, C, and then we break on end of the chorus, D minor, E minor, and then F major. Cool. Thanks guys for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow with more great hits. Be safe. Take care. Thank you.